Hey my friends, you saw the video where I started the Jeep with no battery in the key fob. I'll link that if you haven't seen it. So no battery or dead battery, you can start your Jeep. Or I think probably a lot of other vehicles that use a key fob. This video is going to be on changing the battery in that same key fob. So we'll be right back. Okay, this is the new battery, you guys. There is no sense paying somebody $30–40, which my dad did recently, to replace the battery in his key fob. So this, you can get two of the. I got two of these at Walmart for, I think it was like $4.59 or something. So, and these are, I'll put across the screen what it is too. But it's the if you can, hopefully you can see that CR2032. So the battery is going to be a 2032. So now I'll show you. Most of you know how to do this, but this little lever right here, and I'm guessing most of you knew there was a key in your key fob. This will get you in your door. To get you in your vehicle if your key fob is dead, and won't unlock your doors. So this will unlock your door. And then I showed you in the previous videos, as I was talking about, how to start this, how to start your Jeep anyway, and I'm sure other vehicles, with a dead battery in your key fob. So here we go. See, now you can, if you're somewhere where you do not have tools, you can use the key, which I guess I can do that. But I did have a screwdriver here, and it's easier with a screwdriver. But I'm going to show you how it can be done with the key. Just get her started there. Once you're started, then you can okay, there we go. It is easier with a screwdriver if you got a screwdriver. There's the battery. You notice it's facing down. The numbers are down. Use the key again. Okay, that's the bad one. Here's the good one. Numbers are down. Okay. Now you want to start at down here at the butt. You hear it snapping in. And just squeeze it back together. There we go. We are back together. And key back in. Boom. We're done. We are done. So now let's go down here. Okay, I'm guessing you guys heard that. I just locked the doors in the Jeep out there. So anyway, you guys, real simple. Don't pay anybody to do this stuff. $2.50 to do that. Appreciate you guys watching. Share this with somebody with a key fob so they don't waste their money. Love you guys. God bless. Give us a comment. Appreciate every single one of you. We'll talk to you next time.